PNP stages in disaster management. Level 1. Green or pre-disaster stage.
There is no disaster has been occurred yet. And the goal here is to prepare and minimize potential damage. And more on focus on assessment and preventions. Example, conduct of risk mapping and identification of disaster-prone areas. This means making a map or list of places that are most likely to be affected by disaster. Example, prone flood zones, landslide-prone areas, so that authorities know where to focus on preparation efforts. Second example is identification staging areas, evacuation routes, and evacuation centers. So this involves choosing safe places where people can gather before evacuations, deciding the safest spots to get there, and identifying buildings or spaces to serve as evacuation centers. So ang pasabot ani is dapat ang best example ang sa barangay dapat kanang wala pay mga calamity mahitabo. Kabalo na ang mga authorities kung aha ang mas safe nga area so that mas malikayan ang mga more on damage or mga tao. Third is conduct of disaster drills. Example, earthquake, fire and etc. Simulation, exercise and trainings. Practice scenarios where people. So example ani is panang sa school, di ba? Gina natin mga fire drillings, mga inana tungod kay para mas ma-aware ta kung unsa atong buhaton if ever na ay halimbawa na earthquake nga mahitabo, para mas nanatay mas open na ta nga unsa ang mas best buhaton. Is holding of regular task group and sub-task groups meeting together with the respective levels of National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Councils. So ang kuanan is mag-gather sila and different teams and sub-teams involved in disaster response to coordinate plans, share updates, and make sure everyone's roles are clear. So example ani is ang mga barangay, di ba? Sometimes ang barangay is magpatawag og mga general or shall we say kanang dili siya meeting but kanang mga meeting para or kanang awareness kung unsa ang mas best buhaton if ever there are calamities nga mahitabo. And fifth is capability enhancement or manpower, machines, materials, money, and methods. Kani is dapat ang mga tao mas maging strength and enough trained people. Madapat ang mga tao is well trained para mas naisaktong. Dapat kaning capability enhancement diri nato makita kung ang mga tao naba sila yung mga knowledge sa mga supplies na ginahatag og kana is effective na siya. 6 is production and distribution of information education campaign materials. Example, creating and sharing materials like posters, flyers, or videos that teach the public how to prepare for disasters. Example, mga CDDRMO mag-conduct sila og mga posters and mag-create sila og videos nga diha na to makita ang mga preparation pag naay disaster. 7th is conduct of community organization work for various purpose such as sewage cleanup or removing waste from sewage systems to prevent flooding or health hazard. Example, kanang sa barangay mag-create sila clean up drive panglimpyuhan ang mga kanal para if ever na ay kanang ulan nga kusog dili mo babag ang tubig sa kanal, dili siya maka-create og flood. Then declogging for waters, canals, struts, or clearing obstructions from water passages so water can flow. As said earlier, ilang limpyuhan ang kanal nga dadto agianan sa tubig para if ever naay kanang ulan dili siya maka-create og flood kay mapatuloy ang tubig para way makababag. Clearing of squatters, shanties, and unauthorized occupants in disaster-prone areas, removing people and structure out of risky zone to reduce dangers. For example, ang best example in halimbawa sa Manila, we know that there are a lot of squatters there. And the best thing to do that the authorities are, ilang buhaton is, ilahang ipahawa ang katong mga tao nga dadto nga, which is kabaluta nga prone to siya sa mga calamities. Dapat ilang ipahawa to dadto, ibalhin nila sa lain nga lugar nga, which is dili siya kanang prone o kanang dili siya prone o like flood, dili para mas maiwasan ang more on damage. As in level 1 examples are community mobilization activities or any other organized community efforts to improve safety and preparedness. Since sa level 1 mao to ang damage ay mao to ang calamity nga wala pa na create.
Level 2, REC disaster response stage.
The disaster is forecasted or has suddenly happened. Focus on immediate actions. Example, action of disaster incident management task groups in areas expected to be hit 24 hours prior to expected landfall or occurrence. This means setting disaster response teams into action a day before a predicted event to prepare responses and people. For example, the best example here is ang mga halimbawa si DDRMO dapat 24/7 24 hours na sila nga active. Like halimbawa gibalita sa radyo nga or sa TV nga diha nga areas ang mag-hit ang halimbawa bagyo, dapat diha nga area mag-focus sila para mas ma-prepared if ever there are a lot of people who are reach help. Second is employment of alarm and warning system as stipulated under the ILG MC 2009-165. Using sirens, loudspeakers, or other portable warning tools to alert the public about an approaching disaster. Halimbawa, ang barangay dapat sila mga sirens, loudspeaker para if ever naanay ka nang mo-approach na ang disaster, coming na ang disaster, ma-aware ang mga tao ba nga hala naana di ay disaster sa pamagitan sa sirens, loudspeakers. Action of PNP Disaster Incident Management Committee officially initiating the Philippine National Police team responsible for managing disaster response. Responsible meaning is responsible pud ang PNP nga mag-manage sa mga disaster management. Coordination with NDRRMC to support its disaster response. Working together with National Disaster Risk Reduction Management Council to ensure unified and effective response. Dapat ang mga tao pod, halimbawa ang mga tao is nadiha ang kanang calamities, maging coordinate sila sa NDRRMC para mas ma-reduce ang damage and mas effective ang response. Activation of PNP or SCDM National Disaster Operations Center or NDOC. This means setting up the central operations hub where coordination and decisions making take place during the disaster. Action of command post by task groups whose areas is hit by disaster. Establishing a local command base in affected areas to manage on the ground operations. Forced relocations or preemptive evacuation. Moving residents out of high-risk areas before the disaster causes harm, especially in flood-prone areas. So, diri na ito makita sa TV, like, di ba, pag magtanaw ta sa TV is, nay mga tao, mao na sila nga giatasan nga magkuan sila maghatag sila mao na sila ang giatasan nga atuon nila ang mga tao nga kanang which is kanang prone sa areas para mas as early as now, wala pa nagpadulong ang bagyo, dapat maadto na sila sa evacuation areas. Kay para if ever kanang mulanfall na ang halimbawa ang bagyo, mas males bitaw ang kanang mga harm nga mga tao, mas males ang damage. Conduct of timely and rapid disaster response according to the needs. Carrying out rescue operations, medical aid, evacuation, and other urgent actions based on actual needs during the disaster. Dapat kani mag-conduct po sila og time rapid disaster response according sa mga needs. Example, maghatag sila og mga kanang sa mga tao kanang mga pagkaon para sa actual sa disaster na siya. Traffic management operation in support and coordinate with NDRRMC. Controlling and directing traffic to ensure emergency vehicles can move and people can evacuate safely. Dapat kanang sa NDRRMC ginakontrol nila ang ma-direct nila ang traffic para ma-ensure bitaw nila nga if ever na emergency kan ang emergency halimbawa ang ambulance can move and people can evacuate safely.
Level 3. White Post Disaster Stage.
When the disaster is officially over, it is more on focus on recovery and rehabilitations. Example, get reports from Concerned Disaster Reduction and Management Council or NDRRMC. Receiving official updates on the damage, losses, needs of affected areas to plan recovery. So dapat NDRRMC ani after sa panghitabo moadto sila sa areas nga dadto ang naghit ang disaster para mas ilang para na sila update kung pila ang kanang namatay or pila ang need og help mao na siya. Then sa deployment of relief personnel for relief operation, sending workers and volunteers to distribute food, water, shelters, and medical aid to affected people. As kanang makita nato sa TV, di ba? After sa calamity, naay mga kanang ginadistribute nga pagkaon sa mga evacuated people nga para ma-distribute ang mga needs nila. Then sa deployment of sa provide security and traffic assistance to returning evacuees, ensuring safe return of residents to their home and keeping road. Ang sa NDRRMC is ila pong gina-ensure nga ang mga tao nga gikan sa evacuees is maka-return sa ilang balay og safety. Submit after disaster response report to PNP copy furnish DRRMC. Writing and submitting an official report about what was done during the response of review and record keeping. After po ani sa mga kuan, dapat ang disaster responders muhatag sila og copy sa PNP ug unsa ang nahitabuan na or mga review bitaw sa kana nga panghitabo. Then last is the activation of PNP o CSCDM when the situation is already manageable. It means officially ending the disaster response operation once the affected areas is stable. And diyan nagtatapos ang ating report. Thank you so much.